Alright, kick back, relax, and let's hit it again. While you go tell your mother, father, cousin, and kin, and your other friends that don't even have a clue what this Zuzu crew is about to do. You know it ain't fool's gold, this is kryptonite. Super MCs freeze when I hit the mic, right? FF is the AKA, I keep it popping like bubble WRAP. And if you don't know by now, then listen up, stupid. CSWS came to do it. Got more flavor than you and your crew, kid. So get your hands together if you're ready to lose it and bounce to the breakneck beat. And like junior, seniors, had to move your feet, yo. You bring the buckets, I bring the refreshments, and stay fresh to death like I'm choking on a breath mint.
I can fly. I'm on 6, 7, 8, cloud 9, and ain't nothing gonna stop me, 'cause I'm just too mighty and high.
Ain't nobody give it down. Up and away, let me get that. Touch a no-zone with no jetpack. I'm a bag of bones full of helium. Lead foot on the verse, equilibrium. Raps a million, no quotidian. Extraordinary, next air to the throne like a rising sun, making rising sums. Up and away with a million thumbs. So self-made, you think I was asexual. Fresh figure, let me finish my victuals. Bon appetit, yeah, time for treats. Better get it fast before it melts in the heat. I'm wrecking on the mic, I'm on a mission to ruin. You wanna know how it's done to get to doing as I'm doing? I'm a Sally Forth, like I stallion. Raps how I'm done, it won't fall, workplace upon.
I can fly. I'm on 6, 7, 8, cloud 9, and ain't nothing gonna stop me, 'cause I'm just too mighty and high.
Ain't nobody give it down. Hey naysayers, how y'all been? It's been a minute, but I'm in it to win, and I ain't finished. This is the starting gun, and I'ma run it till the front until I'm number one, son. This is a rhythmic defibrillation, innovative old school to thrill the nation. I've been patiently waiting and building steam, but I'm back with a bounce like a trampoline. Oh please, I feel it bubbling up. It's 10 times bigger, but it's never enough. You gotta get up early or you'll miss the call. So let me show all of y'all what's in my crystal ball. I sized up the prize, eyes on the opportunity. My mind on my money and my roots in the community. So get your booty sleep, creativity, karma. My future's so bright, I'm getting melanoma. Fresh Biggie, how you feeling?
David F. Man, I'm on top.
I can't believe they're feeling this from the rooftop of hip hop.
Ain't nobody give it down.